Guys, you know that SAP systems are used by over 4 lakh companies worldwide. But here, who makes these SAP systems work seamlessly and who uses them every day to keep the businesses running smoothly? So here, if we talk about SAP, then there are two key roles in it: SAP consultants and SAP end users. Their day-to-day tasks are vastly different, yet they both play a very critical role in the success of an organization, their responsibilities and the expertise there. Hello guys, and welcome everyone to this video on difference between SAP consultants and SAP end users by ZaranTech. Okay, now let's try to understand this with a relatable example here. Imagine a car manufacturing company here as an SAP consultant. That is like an engineer who designs and configures the car's engine, ensuring it runs efficiently there. On the other hand, an SAP end user is like the driver who uses the car daily but doesn't need to understand how it was built. They just need to know how it operates. Now, according to the industry reports, SAP consultants spend around 70% of their time customizing systems and providing solutions, while the end users focus on the day-to-day tasks like entering invoices or generating reports there. So in this video, we will explore these differences through 4 key factors: roles and responsibilities, expertise and skills, focus areas, and career paths. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates coming from our side. Okay, let's now start with the first factor, their roles and responsibilities here. So here, SAP consultants are responsible for designing and building SAP systems from the scratch. They analyze business requirements, configure modules, customizing functionalities, and ensure that the system aligns with the organizational goals there. For example, if a company needs a new financial reporting feature in SAP FI, then its consultant's job is to design and implement it there. They also provide the training to end users and troubleshoot system issues when it is needed there. On the other hand, SAP end users work directly with the finished system to perform their daily tasks there. Their responsibilities include entering data, generating reports, managing transactions, and ensuring a smooth operation within their specific role. For instance, a finance end user might process invoices or reconcile bank statements. A logistics end user might create sales orders or track deliveries there. So, in short, consultants build and maintain the system while the end users just operate it there. Okay, next up is expertise and skills, like what each role brings to the table here. SAP consultants here require the deep technical knowledge and problem-solving skills. They need expertise in specific modules like finance, controlling, materials management, or sales and distribution there. Additionally, they also must be proficient in configuration tools, programming languages like ABAP, that is Advanced Business Application Programming, and integration methods like APIs or middleware there. Now, in contrast, SAP end users don't need any technical expertise, but they must have a strong understanding of their functional areas. For example, a finance end user should know accounting principles to process the financial transactions accurately there. A procurement end user should understand the supply chain workflows to manage purchase orders effectively there. So while the consultants focus on system design and optimization, the end users excel at applying this system to the real-world business scenarios here. Now, let's look at focus areas, like what each role is designed to achieve. So here, SAP consultants focus on creating solutions that meet the business needs. Their work revolves around project implementation, configuring systems during deployment phase, or upgrading existing setups. For example, a consultant might integrate SAP with third-party tools like CRM software. They may also optimize workflows by customizing features for the better efficiency there. SAP end users here focus on operational tasks that keep the businesses running smoothly. they use these systems to manage their day-to-day activities like processing payments, tracking inventory levels, or generating reports for a good decision making. So here, their primary goal is to ensure accuracy and efficiency in their specific domain. Now finally, let's talk about career paths. How these two roles evolve over the time. So if we talk about SAP consultants, they often start as a junior consultants or trainees specializing in some specific modules. With expertise, they can move into senior consultant roles or even project management positions where they oversee the entire implementations. Some consultants also transition into niche areas like SAP Basis, Technical Infrastructure, or BTP, Business Technology Platform. On the other hand, SAP end users typically begin as a functional specialist within their departments like finance analyst or logistics coordinators, and grow into some managerial roles over the time. So while their career progression is more aligned with their functional expertise rather than IT systems, some end users transition into consulting roles after gaining a deep knowledge of their module. So in conclusion, SAP consultants are the architects who design, implement, customize, and maintain the SAP solutions for the business. SAP end users are the operators who use these systems daily for tasks like data entry, reporting, or transaction management. So while consultants focus on building the solutions that align with business needs, end users ensures that those roles are applied effectively in the real-world scenarios there. Both roles are essential for the success of any organization using SAP systems. They complement each other perfectly by bridging the technical expertise with practical applications. So now, if you found this explanation helpful and want more insights into SAP careers or modules, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.